against my top and bottom, and you'll notice they're pretty parallel, and I freehand sketched that. And the same thing here. There's one there, there's one there, and those are pretty parallel. When it comes to my top, I put this one here, and I put this one here, and you notice they're not parallel at all. They're starting to come together right here. So you can use this trick to look and see if your lines are parallel. If they're not, because they're coming together, then move them out of the way and make an adjustment. And re-sketch the line, and then test it again. Okay? And now you notice that they're parallel for the most part. If I do the same thing on this side, you'll notice that these two lines are not parallel. They're not as bad as the other one, but they're starting to come together, which means I need to drop this line down a bit. Not as much, but I need to drop that line down just a bit. And now I'm going to retest it. There's my new line. There's my other one. And you'll notice they're a lot more parallel. And if I erase the original top now, come in and erase the original two lines, you'll notice it's not pointy anymore. So if you end up with a pointy top, it's probably because they aren't parallel. Your rectangle needs to be off center because it's a rectangle. And again, 30 degrees, 30 degrees, vertical. Okay, we'll come way out here, 30 degrees, parallel to it, vertical. And it's easy because this line is vertical, so these two lines should be parallel to each other. And then, again, the idea is to make your top. Now I'm going to just check it real quick. It looks like it might not be perfect, but I'm not going to take the time in the video to change that. But it looks like, yep, they're coming together slightly. And so I would need to fix that. Down here, two baselines. I forgot to mention, draw another baseline. Two baselines here, and then draw your 30 degrees out. And your 30 degrees out. Come over close to the side of the box. Makes it easier to draw a vertical line parallel. And then 30 degrees, or parallel to the front edge, parallel to the back edge. This one's the trickiest one. Okay, there's my two lines. There's my vertical. There's that. There's my vertical. And now there's my top. Alright? And then redo it over there. So use that trick to check that your